Some good news for thousands of North Carolinians who pay for flood insurance. You're about to see your rates go down. Consumer investigator Steve Spracia joining us now live for more on this and getting some answers about why this happened and what we can expect.
Isn't it nice to be able to tell folks about something that's not a scam? These changes go into effect in just a couple of days, October 1st, but most people won't see the changes reflected in their premiums until April. That's when the federal flood insurance policies start renewing.
Flood zones are determined by a history of flooding in an area. Then a flood zone is rated according to the annual probability of flooding. FEMA calculates every inch of water in a home does $27,000 worth of damage. So the cost adds up as the water rises. For decades, federally funded flood insurance rates have been calculated based on an outdated system with an old understanding of flood risk. After years of work, FEMA is now updating its rating methodology.
The data allowed FEMA to move towards pricing by home versus the entire community.
Right now, many homeowners are subsidizing flood insurance for people who live in higher risk areas.
This was about, the equity of the program, about fairness, about people paying what their risk was.
Currently, about 140,000 people in North Carolina have flood insurance. I've learned about 1/3 of them will see their premiums drop under the new risk ratings.
Some are tens of dollars a month, some will be hundreds of dollars. For other folks, they'll see their rates stay about the same. About 60% of the policies will only go up about $10 a month or $120 a year.
FEMA found many of those paying too much for flood insurance are lower income individuals who live in older homes.
Will folks see refunds if they overpaid for years before that?
Unfortunately, no. These are like a lot of insurance programs. As premiums have come in, premiums have been paid out. In fact, FEMA's had to borrow money from the taxpayer to pay out premiums for previous floods.
Now, the changes in the rates will also reward mitigation. For example, policyholders can reduce their premiums if they do things like elevating utilities or install flood openings in their dwellings. Working for you, I'm consumer investigator Steve Spracia.